Street Elmo, the Great Easter Race. It was a bright Easter morning on Sesame Street, and out in the park, friends were starting to meet. There were beautiful colors and flags waving free. Something special was happening, but what could it be?
A race!
Shouted Big Bird.
Come one and all, the young and the old, the short and the tall. Let's stretch out our legs and tie up our shoes. Get ready, get set, there's nothing to lose.
The park's woodland creatures, they all heard the yell, and a little green turtle popped out of his shell. May we join the race? They asked all together.
Of course,
Big Bird said.
More makes it better.
They stood at the line. They were ready to race. But who in the group would be winning first place? Would the quick little rabbit win the big prize? Keep an eye on that bunny. You'll get a surprise. Ready, set, go! And so it began. Off like a comet, the quick bunny ran. The racers gave chase, the crowd gave a cheer, and the slow little turtle, he brought up the rear. Around the first bend and under a tree, Cookie Monster saw something that filled him with glee.
A basket of cookies! Me think they're for me! Me think me should have one, or maybe have 3.
A basket again, this time filled with duckies. Was it left there for Ernie, or was he just lucky? The turtle crawled past, just keeping his pace.
Slow and steady,
he said,
will win me this race.
Way up ahead and just off the path, Bert spotted some pigeons. They were having a bath. He stopped there to greet them. Then he noticed the treats. There were eggs by his head. There were eggs by his feet. Leading the race, Big Bird had to wonder.
What happened to Bunny? He's faster than thunder.
But then up ahead, he caught sight of a nest, and he thought to himself,
why not have a rest?
With Big Bird asleep, the Count spied his chance, while Zoe had stopped to make time for a dance. She twirled by a maypole with ribbons galore. With some help from her friends, she made a dance floor. There was just one more hill and a few turns to go. The Count started smiling. He would put on a show. The crowd cheered and whistled. Their excitement, it mounted. But then Count saw a castle and eggs to be counted. On went the race as the finish grew near. But Grover was stopped by a bright, shiny mirror. He twisted and turned. He stared and he gaped. Look at that hero with his helmet and cape. Elmo took first with a spurt of full speed, but a shiny toy truck cost him the lead. The turtle crawled on and broke through the line. With no one in sight, it was his turn to shine.
Turtle's the winner!
Big Bird called with a bellow, and Count led a chorus of jolly good fellow. And as far as the bunny, he crossed the line last, but he gave a sly wink of his eye as he passed. For back at the park was a wonderful scene of lollipops, chocolates, and pink jelly beans. A big celebration of colorful treats, a gift from the bunny for Sesame Street. Happy Easter! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Sesame Street Elmo stories, check out my Sesame Street Elmo playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.